I'm not mentioning that because my mom and dad are going to see that. Mom, sorry.
अरे परेशान मत हो, एडिट कर देंगे यार हम.
मैं तंग आ गई हूँ सुबह सुबह अपना आईडी कार्ड दिखाना.
I think university is going to see, by the way.
No.
My faculties have been really supportive.
Our college has a very good concept of introducing a mentor per 30 students.
It's very vibrant. Like our campus have really good vibes, I feel.
Your best decision.
Hi guys, welcome to Shiksha Insiders once again. If you're looking for a perfect college story, then I'm afraid that this pod isn't for you. Because college isn't just the best phase of our life, right? It's more than that. Like, kabhi confusing hai, kabhi repetitive hai, and most importantly, those silent pauses where we say to ourselves, yaar main kar kya raha hu yaar? Now this is some real talk that most of the students hesitate to talk about. And therefore, Shiksha brings you 3 students from 3 different domains of KR Mangalam University who are going to tell a story. No other story, their own story. And just a disclaimer, there is no script involved. So, enjoy.
Guys, let's roll. And I really want is candid conversation for night. Not for night today.
Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us today in Shiksha Insiders. So today we'll be talking about KR Mangalam University and let's unfold the story. Let's start with you, Srishti.
Hello everybody, my name is Shrishti Saigal. I'm a 4th year law student. I'm in my 8th semester right now and I'm specializing in criminal law. Yeah.
So what you get to do in criminal law? I mean, just a little bit of the peak we want to see.
Criminal law deals with crimes.
Yeah, that was understood. Yeah. Over to you, Parth.
Well, I am Parth Khandelwal and I am a BTech student. I am in 3rd year currently and I am pursuing CSE branch in particularly BTech. So I am a developer by profession.
Akshita.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
I'm Akshita and I'm currently pursuing B Pharma. I'm in my 8th semester, which is the last semester now. So not very happy about it.
Really?
Yeah, I
Oh,
like
you'll be
my
missing your college?
life.
Yeah,
I love my
definitely.
college life. And except for that, as an individual, I am full of life. I'm very confident person in life, and I'm also working right now as an HR, which is
As an
different.
HR?
Yeah, which is different from my
Okay,
field.
that's, I don't know, not in the opposite, but more than opposite somehow.
Yeah, I'm working as an HR in Tata 1mg, so it's a pharmacy brand.
Yeah,
only.
yeah. Now
So
you're
that-
making sense, right?
Yeah, that
right,
makes the
right.
bridge.
Yeah, it is the bridge, right. So you guys all are from Delhi only?
I am from Delhi. I guess these guys are from.
I'm from Gurgaon.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just rewind to the first day of your college. So first day means this is your first day and you are just entering the campus. Just take me through that day of yours.
So there was a big transition because I was COVID batch. My school life ended in 10th grade. 11th and 12th were completely online. And then because of
Yes.
COVID. And then there was, a full jump from 10th grade to college life. So I was kind of nervous because also I realized that the groups might have already been formed.
Because you were little late. Yeah. It happens. Yeah. It happens in the first 20-15 days,
But probably like first week when you're in the same class, right? So I knew it's going to be very difficult for me to settle in. But then in Gurgaon, there's a saying that everybody in Gurgaon knows everyone. So there were a lot of people. So a lot of people from my school also came there. A lot of people knew me from YouTube. So I had good first day interaction with people. I went to the class just to see how it is. It was quite a big hall and a lot of students, something very different from school life. And it was fun, but I did not attend my class for the next 2 weeks after that because I was enjoying my college life with my friends.
Okay.
Not in my classes.
Not in your class.
Yeah, exploring the campus.
Some friends, the first day you entered the college. Makes sense. How did it go for you, Parth?
My first day was a bit tedious for me because I was like, I was unsure what would happen, the whole environment. क्या होगा कॉलेज घुस के.
Typical student. यार मुझे क्या करना है, ये क्या हो रहा है.
कहाँ जाना है and all. It was this was a bit I would say bad experience for me first day of like because I was coming from 12 years of same school.
Same school, 12 years. Wow.
Yes, so I was like
Same set of people, same group.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
I had same set of people, about 60 people or so, and I was like, okay, these are my friends and all, etc. And now I come to this whole university where there are like 10,000s of people, right? So you are not aware to that kind of environment yet. So I think when मैं जब गया क्लास के अंदर एंड माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वॉज कि क्या क्लासेस होंगी. आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द सिलेबस, राइट. सो क्या क्लासेस होंगी और क्या मैं क्लासेस को बंक कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं.
This is a good question. Yeah. Valid question यार, one valid question.
बिकॉज स्कूल से आ रहे हैं, स्कूल से ऐसा लगा स्कूल में आपको कुछ अलाउड नहीं होता.
पिक्चर ही वही होती है ना, जाऊंगा बंक करूंगा.
देन आई गॉट टू नो कि लोग कहाँ से हैं. उड़ीसा से लोग हैं, कोलकाता से लोग हैं, और वो यहाँ पे हॉस्टल में रह रहे हैं. आई वाज लाइक ओ भाई इतने दूर से आए हैं.
ऐसा कुछ लगा उसके बाद कि ठीक है यार, मैं तो अपने सेम स्पेस में ही हूँ. आई एम बेटर देन दीज पीपल. In a way that because these people have come from so far.
हाँ वही तो मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा था इनको क्या फील हो रहा होगा कि ये तो इतने दूर से आए हैं कॉलेज के लिए. तो ऐसा था. तो मैं उनसे मतलब बात किया एंड देन आई मतलब गॉट कंफर्टेबल धीरे फर्स्ट डे के अंदर. बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे आई वाज लाइक ओके आई नो हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू गो.
कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है, मैं दिल्ली वाला हूँ, तुम रुको.
तो बाय सेकंड और थर्ड डे आई स्टार्टेड बंकिंग क्लासेस.
How about you?
So talking of the same Chichore thing,
Achha.
I was fully confident that I'm going to enjoy my college life, and college is much better than school and everything. So when I entered with full confidence that I'm going to make friends, I'm going to enjoy
I'm
this.
going to
to
nail
my
it, bro.
fullest.
I'm becoming the Miss College.
Yeah, I had this that I'll become the Miss Fresher.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but then eventually I did not try for it.
Okay.
So I entered into my college and I was a bit confused about my classes, but then I eventually got to know. I made a lot of friends, and those friends are still sticking by the way.
Okay.
Because
You got lucky.
people's-
You got lucky.
Yeah, I got lucky because I haven't seen that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That doesn't happen.
Especially the friends that you make the first day.
In the first
Yeah,
year.
the first day, the first week.
आती है दोस्तों की.
Then after
But
that,
my
groups
friends-
form, and then it's okay. But yeah.
My friends are literally the same on the day one and now. They haven't changed at all.
Maybe
So
they are the same, or maybe you exactly don't know them.
Yeah. I go to every junior and I tell them, because now I'm in fourth year, I go to juniors law वाले and I tell them कि अभी घूम रहे हो इनके साथ, अभी थर्ड ईयर तक नहीं घूमोगे, तो prepare yourself. I keep doing that a lot.
Yeah, correct. Agree. What about you, Path? So like आज हम बात करें 3 साल हो गए है ना. So how the college life has shaped you? What have you become today?
I was a bit nervous when as I mentioned, मैं first day तो ऐसा था कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता. और आज मेरे को ऐसा फील होता है that हाँ मैं मतलब एक होता है ना कॉलेज के थ्रू मेरे को जो एक्सपोजर मिला, the people I got to know, maybe the subjects and the kind of knowledge that I gained, the exposure I gained, it was all a very fruitful experience for me, I would say. And आज मैं जहाँ पे हूँ I feel a lot more confident than I would have last maybe 1 year in fact.
Fast forward to today.
yeah.
What changes have you seen in yourself? But you are confident from day one, that we all know now. Okay, what else?
So I was confident about myself, but I had a lot of doubts about the course I'm choosing.
All right,
Because earlier my
B.Pharma.
plan was MBBS, but then I later grew interest into pharmacy. But I had a lot of doubts. But now I genuinely enjoy pharmacy. I enjoy my academic career, and also I have discovered a lot of new traits in me. I have discovered.
Such as?
I have discovered that I can be a good HR. I never knew that.
Okay, so you are an HR, right?
Yeah, so I discovered that I think I am more empathetic towards people.
Okay, you
And-
understand them?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I think that has changed in me.
Could be. What's the best memory that you have made on campus? On campus.
So many.
One that stands like, okay, yeah. You have to choose one. Pick one.
I have so
No. That's a challenge now.
I think so. I did not attend my freshers in the first year. I attended that in second year. So second year, Parmesh Verma came, and I had this huge group that I used to be with because they graduated, and I think that was one of the best days I had. that was really, really, you know, nice for me. That entire experience of that concert vibe with your friends and such a big group for that matter, that was very nice. So yeah.
For me it was last year. हमारे कॉलेज के अंदर एक हुआ था इवेंट आइडियाज़ करके, एंड उसमें बेसिकली पीपल हैड टू प्रेजेंट देयर आइडियाज़, जो भी स्टार्टअप
यार ना मुझे कुछ याद आ गया इससे, जो अभी AI सबमिट हुआ था ना, कुछ लोगों ने कुछ तो प्रेजेंट किया था. I'll not take the name. You guys are smart enough, okay?
सो उसके अंदर हमने स्टार्टअप आइडियाज़ प्रेजेंट करने हैं और इस टाइप का था. तो उसके अंदर हमारे पास में अच्छा खासा फेस्ट हुआ था, वो एक काइंड ऑफ ना कॉलेज का. तो मेरे लिए वो कैसे अच्छा था, बिकॉज आई वॉज इन द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम, एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम के अंदर आई डेवलप्ड द होल सिस्टम विच टुक केयर ऑफ द रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड द पीपल गेटिंग देयर QR स्कैन एंड ऑल. पूरी प्रॉपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सिस्टम पूरा. तो वो चीज़ बनाया, एंड देन द काउंसिल फ्रेंड्स दैट आई हैड, वी इन्जॉयड अ लॉट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. लाइक 10 लोग 15 लोग का ग्रुप है हमारा, एंड हम लोग बिल्कुल जहाँ वो सिंगर था उसके जस्ट वहाँ पे बगल में उससे इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं.
तो वो गा नहीं रहा था? वो गा नहीं रहा था, इंटरेक्ट
गा रहा था, लेकिन हम लोग उससे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे, वो करता जा रहा था, काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. तो ऐसा चल रहा था. इट वॉज रियली लाइक a wholesome experience for me. ऐसा था.
So are there any like student communities in KRMU? Communities हैं कुछ या clubs हैं? What about that? Okay.
We have about 14 like sports and dance
It's-
and MUN.
Yes, it's the clubs part
Yeah.
that we discussed about. That okay, we have clubs, we have dance club and all, and they are great. Like they help us. For example, if there is a performance, we go to the cultural club. Okay, are you able to give us a performance, etc. This kind of stuff happens.
So how does these clubs help you pursue your own interests apart from the academics?
If I talk about majority of people, I think the biggest strength is either in sports club or cultural club, right? Both of which are not related to academics at all. And then also Rupantar Club, which is our fashion club. So these are not related to academic in any sense. But people,
So students must join them from their own free will, right?
yes, they can join any club they want. It's not only limited to your academic purpose. For that we have open electives, right? Open electives and value added course. Open electives also you can choose as per your interest. Value added courses are something that are about our academics. When you talk about clubs, people join it solely based on their hobbies. Right. Because I used to like playing sports, I joined the sports club.
So what sport did you like to play?
I used to play basketball.
You still play?
Not anymore. Now I play squash. Okay. Yeah.
Nice. What about you, Path? What hobby do you have that you would like to continue apart with your professional journey, you know?
I was not a very hobby kind of guy because I didn't join any club. I was more in the books, and maybe when, what do you call it? I was a nerd. The correct description, I would say, because I didn't like connecting with people a lot before I.
अच्छा, you did not like it?
Yes. तो वही होता है कि अगर उसके साथ वाइब मैच होगी तो okay, it's good. हाँ.
Ambivert.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो वो हो जाता है.
हाँ, ठीक है. Akshita, don't tell me that you do not have any other hobby. So do.
I love to debate, honestly. So I was.
What
there in
topic would you like to
MUN.
choose today?
Any topic. You debate with me, I bet you'll lose. So
Okay, you are betting that I'll lose. Okay.
So I love to debate. So I was
Okay.
there in MUN club, and I enjoyed debating a lot with people. Although
Yeah.
it was more like political based, so I did not enjoy that. But yeah, I love the debate part about it.
Okay.
And also I feel about clubs, they help you meet people of same interest. So that is also a part where you get to make friends who have same interest, who are like from same background, same stream.
Okay.
So that helps definitely.
So tell me the difference between Monday and Friday. I mean, in college, if there is any, because हम offices में तो बहुत मिलेगा ये सब. कि Monday
होता है.
blues, you cannot defeat them, and trust me, you won't.
Yeah. So on Monday I go with this energy ki this week is going to be my week.
Okay.
I am going to enjoy it completely. I am going to do everything
अच्छा, Monday जाई वो enjoy करने के उससे रही है कि मैं बहुत enjoy करूँगी इस week.
As in I'll do everything perfectly. Everything will be fine. सब अच्छा होगा. And then when Friday comes, I'm like, thank God it's weekend. I'm so tired. I want to just go back to my bed. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. What about you, Path?
मेरे लिए मंडे ऐसा रहता है कि ओके मेरे को इस हफ्ते बहुत प्रोडक्टिव रहना है, आई हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग आई कैन एंड आई हैव टू मेक श्योर मेरे 8 आवर्स हैं वो बहुत प्रोडक्टिव हैं, ठीक है. बाय फ्राइडे आई एम लाइक व्हाई डू आई हैव टू वर्क, आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क, लेट्स गो. सैटरडे संडे आ रहे हैं, अच्छे से वीकेंड प्लान करते हैं, क्या रहता है क्या नहीं रहता, वो चलता है. और फिर ये होता है नेक्स्ट वीक पे, यार नेक्स्ट वीक बढ़िया करेंगे, नेक्स्ट वीक प्रोडक्टिव रहेगा, बिल्कुल अच्छे से करेंगे. तो ऐसा चलता है मेरा. तो
What about you?
I'm actually very opposite. Monday को I have no motivation in me at all. I'm like क्यों आ गया ये Monday? क्या है इस Monday का? Tuesday थोड़ी मोटिवेशन आएगी, but still be I'll be procrastinating काफ़ी ज़्यादा. फिर Wednesday तक आ जाती है कि चलो अब करना ही है, midweek आ गया.
Friday तक I am like high energy. Just like us कि रात में मुझसे तुम 2 बजे कुछ भी करवा लो, सुबह मुझसे कुछ नहीं होता.
Friday मतलब down for anything. आपको काम कराना है, सारे काम I'll do on Friday. ठीक है? But don't expect me to show up very happy on Monday. I can't be happy on Monday. You'll see me the most cranky on Monday.
How's the whole campus vibe? I mean, and which is the best hangout space in the campus?
For me, it's Nescafe because I love the coffee at Nescafe. So I really like to hang out there. I'm usually there if I'm not in my class or if I'm not out of campus. I'm there at Nescafe having my coffee.
You know where to find her now. Shrishti, आपका कौन सा best hangout space है?
Earlier it used to be Nescafe. अब लेकिन Wok बन गया. It's very nice. Very good Chinese food. Yeah. So it's my go-to. तो मैं वहाँ पे जाती हूँ, फिर वहाँ पे खाना के लिए लेती हूँ. And then I sit in the canteen. Canteen is hangout. Topper type बात करूँ तो library also. It's very nice.
Library also. Yeah. It's for nerdy student. It's for Parth, not for you.
No. You need a lot of library
belong in
access
lab.
for case laws and everything. हमारी digital library में ना SCC है. So to access it, I need to go to library.
Makes sense. तो कैंटीन का खाना कैसा है? Thank you.
We have options now. Okay. Options है तो I personally like Wok का खाना which is Chinese. Okay. But canteen का खाना is good. It's more Indian and like everything is there. Right. Your snacks also, main course types also. Everything is there. But I like Wok.
Anyone is from hostel? No hosteler we have got today. Oh, okay. So कैसा review है उससे कोई दोस्त रहता है किसी का?
I sneaked into a hostel room once.
That is something. That's good of a story. What happened?
Something university is going to see, by the way.
No. I sneaked. No. मतलब it was not.
अरे परेशान मत हो, edit कर देंगे यार हमको.
It was not bad. Like first year, I really wanted to see the hostel because I was like, कि college is 15 minutes from my place, but I wanted to experience the hostel life. So you're not allowed to go to the hostel, right? But first year था, everybody was settling in. तो उन्हें पता नहीं चला था शायद से कि I was in hostel or something. I just saw the room एक बार, but जैसे ही मैं मतलब जा रही थी तो उन्होंने रोक लिया था वो, तो फिर उन्हें पता लग गया था जब मैं बाहर निकली थी. I got scolded, but it's nice. And then अभी भी during the student ambassador program तब I saw पूरा.
How's the campus? Whole campus. I mean, the best USP of campus would be?
The
Campus would
greens.
be
The green.
the
It's
green
26
yes.
acres. So it's not congested at all.
Everywhere you look is मतलब हर जगह जहाँ पे भी देखोगे ना वहाँ ग्रीनरी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब वो है कि कहीं पे बहुत ज़्यादा बिल्डिंग्स एंड ऑल. ऑब्वियसली बिल्डिंग्स आर देयर बट आसपास भी ग्रीनरी एंड ऑल बहुत है, which is a plus point.
मतलब उसमें ऐसे इतना ओपन स्पेस है that you don't feel very congested, right? अभी भी have 4 blocks. 3 blocks are like this and there's sunken garden. ठीक है, इस तरफ जाके you have hostel, काफ़ी दूर चलना पड़ता है उसके लिए, और अब D block और दूर हो गया है. But it's fun, you know, ऐसा खुला vibes is better than एकदम बंद.
It's very vibrant. Like our campus have really good vibes. I feel because I have been to other campuses and I feel that हमारे campus की vibe actually बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत vibrant है.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crowd is diversified.
Crowd is diversified.
Okay.
Extremely.
How many blocks do you have?
4.
4. Like A, B, C, D, something like
Yeah,
that?
A, B, C, D.
What's about this B block that I keep reading on the internet? I don't know why people hate it. Why?
I don't think they will hate it. They're from B block.
From B block, so we
So,
will definitely.
okay. You must be hating them.
I don't hate it. I just find them very.
Yeah, you're framing the words. Yeah, nerdy. No. Diplomacy is not going to work here. No.
Honestly, no. Like
She's a lawyer.
Yeah, she's a lawyer. Yeah.
See, honestly, I like my block a lot because there's, you know, like all the fun courses. Your School of Education there, your School of Legal Studies there. Then कुछ B block के courses आ जाते हैं हमारे block.
कुछ B block के courses आ जाते हैं. Okay.
The thing is,
Yeah, but B block is sciences. I personally don't like sciences. That is why I'm always away from that block. C block I like because of fashion and cultural and all of that. So C block I feel is very popping. If there's something happening in the dance room, every time you go, you'll see good amount of practices going on. Kabhi inter-university, kabhi intra-university. So I think C block though is, I think, बहुत ज़्यादा fun.
Actually, there's a game section
Yeah.
properly built inside the university, but it's in the C block. That's why a lot of people go there and like attend at like all the dance club and the people practicing for the sessions and all. तो वो सारी चीज़ें वहीं पे हैं और तो इस चक्कर में हम लोग वहाँ जाते हैं और वहाँ पे एंजॉय करते हैं. इट्स रियली गुड. सी ब्लॉक का जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर है इट्स ग्रेट.
What block you belong to?
I am hybrid, I would say. B and D.
So, what about the sports? कौन से sports के like courts हैं वहाँ पे?
I'm not the sports guy.
I am into badminton. Like I used to play badminton for college also. I have played inter-university competition.
Wow.
And there is a huge football ground, like a very huge one. And I really enjoy watching people playing football there.
Okay.
Yeah. So and except for that, I think we have badminton ground, football, and I think we have volleyball court
Wow,
also.
Okay.
We have basketball ground, football ground, badminton. We have table tennis. We have a whole running pitch also, like a proper running track. We have वो cricket का भी तो है आपके पास.
Cricket का है, हाँ. We have an open ground where you can play cricket. Yeah.
Okay.
And volleyball as she said, and then we have indoor games बहुत सारे.
Indoor games हैं.
Badminton होगा, pickleball है.
There is a full
आजकल
section
pickleball
for indoor games.
is in the news somehow.
Pickleball no, but we have table tennis, pool,
Foosball also, in
foosball, yeah, carom. We have a very big room for carom and chess. Carom room everybody loves hanging out.
We have a yoga room. Yoga room.
Gym भी हो गई.
Gym hostel.
Gym in the
वाले
hostel.
हैं.
For the people. Okay, makes sense. What about placements?
So we have a career development center which is basically based for that particular reason. They help you prepare from the first step, like prepare your resume, and then they walk. Yes, the training and all, and in fact they also have this like workshops. So they conduct a lot of workshops, and we have a mandatory summer internship that we have to do. Either we have to do industrial internship, or we have to do in campus, attend the workshops. So we are like upskilling ourselves constantly throughout the years. Like for me, for example.
So like every year there is a training program is there for the students.
It is held usually, right? So what happens is in other colleges, what I've seen is you only have to attend one internship that is in like 7th semester or 8th semester, right? But हमारे कॉलेज के अंदर ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है that मैं जब फर्स्ट ईयर में आया था तो I was told कि I have to do an internship. I was like what? Internship फर्स्ट ईयर में कौन करता है? तो देन वी वर टोल्ड कि ऐसा नहीं है, इंटर्नशिप्स आर अवेलेबल फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो. एंड हम लोग ने फिर इंटर्नशिप्स करी हैं बाकायदा, समर इंटर्नशिप भी करी हमने. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो, सेकेंड ईयर ऑल्सो वी हैड टू डू एन इंटर्नशिप. नाउ इट्स माई थर्ड ईयर, आई एम ऑलरेडी डूइंग एन इंटर्नशिप. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मतलब हमें इट्स लाइक अदर पीपल हैव ओनली वन इंटर्नशिप, राइट, बट वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर. सो दैट इज़ वॉट आई थिंक इज़ गुड इन आवर कॉलेज कि वो हमें एज करते हैं उस.
It is the same across all the courses?
But I think it has really shifted. Like I joined 4 years back, so earlier it was not so well developed. But there has been a lot of changes in CDC and placement, and I myself am placed.
Okay.
So I am
From college
placed
only?
Yeah, from college only.
Great.
I'm placed at Tata 1mg from college only. So I think that has shifted for me because earlier when I was in first year, like he said, I did not get so many opportunities. But now when I speak about it, I think I have a lot of opportunities. We have a lot of company exposures in terms of every field, not just like in pharma based companies, but biotech based companies and other research based companies also we get.
Okay.
Yeah.
And with our course, it's sort of different. BCI sets out the guidelines for internship every semester, and more the merrier. So like if you do 2 internships every semester, it's better. But we usually do summer internships more than the winter internships. We stretch it to 2-3 months. So college really guides you to, like ensure what kind of internship you should do. CDC has always prepared us with how our internship should be from first year to 5th year, right? कि कैसे जाना चाहिए. CDC honestly has, as she said, it's improved a lot today I know that we get resume building entirely. They will send, they will ensure that they see our resumes before we apply anywhere for internship. And secondly, more than placements, they also give us such good internship opportunities. Like my mail, if I show you, it's full of internship opportunities in T1, T1 firms, or in the law chambers, judicial chambers, everywhere. There are so many internship opportunities, and उसके बाद once they take out the placement drive and everything, फिर उसमें ना we get good placements because we're so used to all of this, the interviews, and our CV is made to be so strong कि फिर हमें मिल जाता है वो placement.
So on campus companies आती हैं. Let me talk about BTech CSE because that's the most sought.
There's a job fair that happens.
Okay.
Companies from all like all courses will come, and there's going to be a job fair, and वो साथ में
हाँ,
होता
अभी
है.
इसी अप्रैल में हमारे उसमें
So आपका percentage रहता है placement percentage if I may ask?
प्लेसमेंट परसेंटेज
Roughly idea you must be having, like from your cohort only, how many students got placed?
I think it's about 90%. I'm not sure, but it's 90 from what I've heard. Yes. So
Because I was reading some reviews on Shiksha which says otherwise. Okay, let me just tell you. आज मिल जाए वो review, आज लगता है नहीं मिलेगा. So this review says specifically it is for BTech CSE and the batch of 27.
okay.
Yeah. So you are a
Be batch
I'm
of
batch
27.
of 27. Yes. Yes.
27.
हाँ 26 चल रहा है. ठीक है. So only 50% students were placed on campus. So what do you have to say on that?
As I said, I was not aware of the numbers, and I would say that college is really pushing us for placements, and they are preparing us. Since I was not aware of the numbers, but I would say कि कॉलेज हमें बहुत हेल्प करता है उस चीज़ के लिए कि हमें हमारा रेज्यूमे बिल्डिंग हो गया, हमारा ये जो चीज़ें होती हैं ना, ये एक जो स्टेप होता है उस चीज़ के लिए वो हमें प्रिपेयर करता है प्रॉपर्ली कि हम जाएँ कंपनी के सामने बैठे एंड वी आर नॉट स्केयर्ड कि यार वो हमसे क्या पूछेगा. वो चीज़ हो जाती है. वी आर मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट. हमने अभी रिसेंटली एमकैट भी दिया था. कॉलेज ने हमें कहा था कि यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस टेस्ट एंड गो फॉर एमकैट. So they had us train for that particular exam for about 2 months, and then we gave the exam, and I got really good results in like 85% आया मेरा AMCAT के अंदर overall. So I think कि I wouldn't have known what AMCAT is अगर मैं search करूँ उसे Google पे, right? तो वो चीज़ है.
So actually, why I ask this because these reviews are live and students, these reviews are very subjective. So they cater to their own opinions and perspectives. So maybe उस student को नहीं मिला वो चीज़.
But it's
right?
also
If I add, I'm sorry. If I add on to that, I would if I talk about my course and if I talk about myself, starting 2 years I was very unserious, right? But then our college has a very good concept of introducing a mentor per 30 students, 35 students. Yeah, there is a mentor for us. That mentor actually ensures that there's a scope of improvement in us, right? First year se leke, if I'm in 4th year right now and if I'm this confident and if I'm speaking to you, it's because I've been shaped like that. And because I have shown my interest. If the students, see, there are a lot of people who might not show up. We all know that.
Yes.
Right? In my class also there might be so many people. Even, some people who have their business set, they might not show up for the placement. So the number falls down because of that. Right?
And I'll be honest,
Just to
in
compare
BTech also we have like 100% of students if there are there in our university. उन 100 में से भी अगर 70 या 80 बच्चे सीरियस ही नहीं हैं अपनी उसके लिए. दे डोंट वांट कि हमें आगे प्लेसमेंट करनी है. दे आर नॉट केयरफुल फॉर देयर करियर. आगे जाके उनको करियर के लिए उतनी टेंशन नहीं है. एंड कॉलेज जितनी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करे, द कॉलेज इज़ पुशिंग अस, राइट, कि आप हर साल आपको इंटर्नशिप्स करनी है, आपको हर साल वर्कशॉप्स अटेंड करना है, आपको हर साल अदर एक्टिविटीज़ में भी पार्ट लेना है अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कोर्स स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट्स. तो कॉलेज अपनी तरफ से जितना बेस्ट एफर्ट हो सकता है उतना प्रोवाइड करता है. पर कहीं ना कहीं वही स्टूडेंट्स अगर नहीं करते हैं, अगर आप ही सीरियस नहीं हो अपने लिए, तो वो फिर कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज़ डाउन हो जाती है.
College is actually putting in a lot of effort to do that, right?
also
Makes sense.
I think वो expectation gap बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाता है because I see somebody and उनको मिल रहा है बहुत ही ज़्यादा like अच्छी internship, so I also expect कि I get that.
Right.
But at least you need to start somewhere. You are a fresher, so you need to start somewhere. So that's why a lot of people even back out.
Makes
even
sense.
after
Makes
like,
sense. Yeah. So this question is for you only, Akshita. I have been hearing a lot of Wi-Fi complaints around the campus. How much of, I mean, on Shiksha reviews only. So how much of that is true?
See, earlier Wi-Fi was a very big issue, I won't lie. But now we have Wi-Fi in almost every block, and they are constantly like working on it. They are constantly working to improve it.
They are
and-
listening to the feedback of the students is what I can take away from this. Right. Cool.
And in
It
fact,
has
it
improved.
has improved a lot.
Okay. B block में चलता है Wi-Fi? मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है B block के लिए. चल रहा है ना वहाँ?
It works across for
Wi-Fi
everybody.
now I think from this year also अब तो पूरे यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रॉपर्ली चल रहा है
हाँ.
Wi-Fi.
We
मे
have-
भी हो सकता है पिछले सालों में थोड़ी सी डिस्कनेक्टिविटी आती है वो तो कहीं ना कहीं क्योंकि वो बेस भी काफ़ी दूर है सिटी से थोड़ा सा दूर है वो. सो दैट्स वाई वो वाईफाई की इशूज़ तो वहाँ पे जेन्युइन है. बट अब जो है रिसेंटली वो चीज़ें इम्प्रूव हुई हैं बहुत.
कहाँ थोड़ा सा दूर है मतलब in the outskirts of Gurgaon somewhere? Where is it located actually?
It's a
in
different
Sona.
district of Haryana.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think how's the security there?
The security is really nice. I can assure you the security in our campus is really nice. Like we have to do frisking before we enter the college, and our IDs are checked. We have like face scanning is done, and
Okay.
even inside our college we have security personals roaming around everywhere. And
Okay.
if anybody will do anything like that is not up to the mark, they will be thrown out of the college. That's
I think our college provides the first focus on security. उनका पहला मोटिव है कि बच्चे एक सिक्योर उसमें पढ़े जो मेरे को लगता है क्योंकि उनका सिक्योर इन्वायरमेंट मैं कैसे कह रहा हूँ बिकॉज कोई भी फेस्ट होता है कोई भी इवेंट होता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वहाँ पे हमारे पास में जो वो होता है सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल्स होते हैं वो वहाँ पे अपॉइंटेड होता है कि इन केस कोई भी
मतलब inside the campus there is no issue.
हाँ,
What
कुछ
about
issue
how do you
नहीं
guys
है
commute?
commute-
I mean, does the college have transport?
They do.
Yes,
One
a
of the
lot.
best.
One of the best. What makes you say that?
95 plus routes. That's a lot for a college. Because we have seen other colleges, they don't operate so many buses, right? There are 95 plus routes. I think for Dwarka there are 9 routes just for Dwarka alone, right? And Dwarka is like quite tiny.
It's completely.
So I am someone commuting by bus only. So my like feedback on transportation is extremely good. I think this is one of the USP of our college because I think the transportation is really nice and like on my pickup stop there are 6 routes which travel.
Okay.
So I can take any bus if I want. Although I have a bus, but I
Dedicated
take
bus
any.
you've got, but you can still
Yeah.
get into another bus if you miss the bus by chance.
Yes.
And there's no issue of security in the bus also because it's completely like it has 2 cameras there. So it's completely
Inside the bus?
Yeah.
Cool, great. So, okay, so in one sentence, if I would ask you, why would you recommend this university? In one sentence.
Your best decision.
Okay, your best decision is KRMU.
University is your best decision.
Marketing बढ़िया हो रही है.
No, but like honestly, I will not take names of universities here. But if I were to enter any university today as a student, I can. But in KRMM University, you can't enter. Even I have to show my identity twice to actually enter inside the college. Face scan 1.
We
Second,
sometimes
if
mock the university on that. Why it is so like so secure and all.
we mock them.
It is annoying, no? Every day I'm coming. Now you should know me, no? हाँ, I understand.
But we do understand
But
why
on
there it
the
is.
large scale, yes,
Yes.
it's good.
So if my face is scanned, I still have to show my ID card to even prove that I am a part of this college and this academic year.
So guys, that was some good college talks. Now let's have some fun. So guys, we'll be playing one Uno ka game, जिसमें we will be only playing with the power cards of Uno. So guys, there are 4 cards: skip, +2, reverse, and wild. Wild gives you the most power. You want to talk anything, and you can talk about it. Okay, you can ignore the question completely and just start talking about that. But इसके बाद जिसका टर्न आएगा उसको counter करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Reverse is again change the direction of the clock and it starts anti-clock. +2 again, you can dodge the question and the other person will have now answer 2 questions. Skip is like if any person is answering a particular question and you don't agree with that, you can just play the skip in between and you can just provide your counter. Okay. So we'll be distributing 9 power cards to each of you and okay. So आखिरी में जिसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा power cards बचेंगे, that person is going to be the
Are we following the color scheme?
no color scheme, nothing. Nothing like that. Okay. So sorry. You got exposed. Can you count how much?
8 है.
Sure.
Yeah, there are 8.
8. Okay, then one card will be.
Thanks.
बस काउंट कर लो तो उसमें.
9 होने चाहिए. ठीक है, you guys are ready?
No. Let me arrange my cards.
You'll arrange the cards. Onto what order? Okay. Arrangements done? Wow. सबने वाइड लगता है पीछे लगा लिया है. I'll drive the conversation. Okay. First question. Let's start with you, Shrishti.
Okay.
Fees investment है या emotional damage?
क्या?
Fees investment है या फिर emotional damage?
Investment for sure. Investment for a better future.
For a better future. Marketing gimmick, I can see that. I really would want anyone to counter to this. No one is doing that. Okay. Placements. Brochure वाली दुनिया या real वाली दुनिया?
No, just kidding. I would say, can you repeat the question again?
So like, are the placements as similar as they have been described in the brochure of the college?
More or less, yes. They are similar to what they have been describing in the brochure. I would say that obviously university wants that they highlight their advantages. There are some caveats, but I would say that more or less it's ignorable. So yeah.
Okay. एक कैंपस मोमेंट जो बिना प्लान के अनएक्सपेक्टेडली लिट हो गया हो.
मुझे नहीं लगा था कि लाइक द फेयरवेल जो मुझे देना है मेरे सीनियर्स को दैट विल बी सो अनएक्सपेक्टेडली लाइक लिट फॉर
No,
मी बट इट
अच्छा,
वाज
okay.
जेन्युइनली
You enjoyed it?
आई एंजॉयड इट अ लॉट.
Cool. कब लगा यार हाँ ठीक है ये डिसीजन वर्थ था? That exact moment.
Second year, fourth semester, exactly. Because of the events that were happening.
Okay. The one you described earlier.
No. I'm talking about my academic events. जो मेरे moot court related events थे, the guest lectures. जब पता चला कि Justice U.U. Lalit, ex-CGI of India, is there, right? तो तब it felt like it was worth coming to KR Mangalam because उन्होंने ही, if you don't know, Shaira Bano versus Union of India, triple talaq. He was one of the judges.
Alright. एक चीज़ जो यहाँ पे सीखी जो करिकुलम में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी यार और होनी भी नहीं चाहिए थी.
यार करिकुलम के अंदर दे हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड कैंपस लाइफ एंड ऑल बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब जो एक होता है ना कि ये कोर्स पर्टिकुलरली आपका होगा नहीं होगा, करिकुलम में दे डिडंट मेंशन इट. जब हम आए थे और देखा था हमने ब्रोशर एंड ऑल की ओके ये सब हैं कोर्सेज हमारे पास अवेलेबल, एक डिस्क्रिप्टिव वो नहीं था. तो उसके अंदर इट वाज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ सरप्राइज कि हम लोग क्या पढ़ाया जाएगा. ऑब्वियसली द बीटेक सिलेबस इज जेनरिक बट द होल यूनिवर्सिटी एड ऑन्स टू इट वाज अ सरप्राइजिंग एलिमेंट. वी डिडंट नो कि हमें ओपन इलेक्टिव हमारी चीज़ होती है तो उसमें we are made to choose between a certain subjects which are extracurricular. For example, maybe I don't remember fundamental of computer programming, but for students who are not from computer background.
But this is a part of academics only, no?
No, but this is not like meant to be what you call it. It's not compulsory, I would say. So that was a bit surprising element for me.
एक चीज़ जो यहाँ पे सीखी जो सिलेबस में तो कहीं थी भी नहीं और होनी भी नहीं चाहिए थी. आई आस्क्ड यू दिस क्वेश्चन. या इट्स ओके.
आई थिंक एक तो पर्सनालिटी जज करना लोगों की. स्कूल में वो इतना डेवलप नहीं हो पाता बट कॉलेज में आके यू रियली लाइक आपको पता चल जाता है हु आर द स्नेक्स.
Who are the snakes? How many snakes do you know?
I don't want to mention. I think everybody knows a lot of them here.
हाँ.
Yeah.
If you don't want to mention, you can use the other card, but you have to mention.
Now, so I can skip the another PowerPoint or I
Yeah,
can-
right, because you want to answer that? Yeah, you'll have to answer that.
I have not encountered snakes, I would say, but yes, I have been there where I got heartbreaks and all through my friends or girlfriend, etc. So obviously, I'm not mentioning that because my mom and dad are going to see that. They don't know. Just kidding, huh? More or less, no.
Okay, I'll make sure that they'll know
They
now.
have suspected.
Now they know.
Now they know.
Mom, sorry.
कौन सी चीज़ें से रोज़ इरिटेट कर दी आपको अबाउट योर कॉलेज?
सुबह सुबह अपना आईडी कार्ड दिखाना मैं तंग आ गई हूँ क्योंकि आई हैव वेरी मतलब मेरे ब्लॉन्ड बालों से सबको पता है कि मैं कौन हूँ, राइट? यू रिमेंबर समबडी हु हैज ब्लॉन्ड हेयर।
ठीक है, ऐसी कौन सी बात जो लगता है यार काश किसी ने ये पहले बता दिया होता? Okay, what would you want to talk about?
I want to talk about her point. I am really irritated by ID card fine also. So I
खो
think
देते हो?
No, actually हमें ID cards पूरे टाइम पहनने होता है कॉलेज में.
अच्छा.
So if you're not wearing it,
हाँ.
you'll be fined for it.
Now you'll have to counter her. Keep okay. Counter a point. Yeah, because it's a wild card.
सो मेरे को मिला है वाइल्ड कार्ड, राइट? तो आई वुड से कि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में इतना ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी के ऊपर फोकस है, वो गुड है, हमारे लिए अच्छा है। अगर हम मतलब एक एथिक क्रिएट होता है, राइट? अगर आप यहाँ से जाके कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में जा रहे हो और वहाँ पे वो चीज़ है यार, आपको आई कार्ड्स वहाँ पे पहनने पड़ेंगे समटाइम्स कि वो आपको एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे, वहाँ पे हो सकता है आपको एक ड्रेस कोड एक्सपेक्ट करे, तो ये चीज़ हमारे लिए हमारे में एक एथिक क्रिएट करता है कि ओके वी हैव दैट डिसिप्लिन क्रिएटेड इन द कॉलेज इटसेल्फ, राइट?
He's making more sense.
He's
Yeah. I thought you were a debater. You would have been.
I wanted to.
Yeah, but ठीक है. Okay. So, any one thing about your college that you desperately would want to change?
I think it's improving, but I think the washrooms need more change. And there you go.
Yeah.
So I cannot use my card now, right?
Not.
Pick the plus two.
You have to pick the +2. ये मतलब तुम पे कर रहे हैं दोनों लोग, मुझे लग रहा है मिलके. I can see.
I can
these
see
people grouping up against you. ठीक है. But you are with me, so not you.
Okay, so the change in college.
Anything that you would like to change? There must be something.
I think
Culture, anything, people, crowd, faculty,
I think crowd
Wi-Fi.
is very much divided in our college between like some communities I don't want to mention. So I think there is like groupism in that sort. So I
Okay.
think we can change that.
Okay, that
can be
groupism.
changed. Yes.
Okay, ठीक है. ऐसी कौन सी कंप्लेंट है जो सबको है पर कोई बोलता नहीं है? सबको है वो. हाँ. उठा ले यार भाई, थोड़ा कार्ड बढ़ा आपने.
Sometimes faculties are not ready to listen that okay we have a genuine issue, and they are like no, we don't allow that, we know you are just lying to get
Rule, you just have to follow the rule. Yeah, wake up 5 in the morning and that's all. Yeah.
So in my counter, I feel in my school, I can speak about my school. I don't think so. My faculties have been really supportive with me. Like they have supported me where I think I was not even right. So I think that's a good point about faculty. I'm very much impressed with
well that may differ from school to school. I would say
I think that would differ.
yeah.
So my next question to you would be, कौन सा ऐसा सीन है जो पेरेंट्स को बताओगे तो सीन हो जाएगा?
To add to her point, I would say कि it's very true. The school will really support you when they know that you're actually not wrong. ठीक है, मतलब I think मेरे उसमें ना मेरे से ज़्यादा medical leave कोई नहीं लेता होगा. But provided if I provide all my documents, ठीक है, proper documents.
Talking about faculty, right? Right now, because adding to her.
Yeah, I'm talking about the faculty, right?
It will be interesting now. She has to counter you again. Nice.
So वो अलाउ करते हैं बहुत चीज़ों के लिए if it is genuine, but if they suspect something and that happens when you put a thought into their mind कि you are at the wrong side.
No, that's
क्योंकि
actually
they are
true, yeah.
unbiased to start with. ठीक है, उन्हें नहीं होता कि ये अच्छा है ये गंदा है. That thing doesn't happen. It is your behavior that makes somebody feel the same thing about you.
No, I would say
No,
that
you can't counter me right now.
okay.
She will counter me, right? So the faculties can be very supportive when you're actually right. But if you're on the wrong side of the story and then you are expecting them to support you for nothing, then that won't happen. I'm very sorry to say that.
तो आई वुड से कि उन केस पे भी ऐसा होता है कि दे आर मोर आई वुड से कि उन्होंने ऐसा ज्यूम करा हुआ है कि तुम भी ख़राब हो गए. अगर उनके पास में 5 बच्चे ख़राब आ रहे हैं तो एक जेन्युइन भी अगर आ रहा है तो समटाइम्स दैट गेट्स ओवर शैडोड कि यार ये भी ख़राब ही होगा इस चक्कर में.
Oh, nice. Oh my God, 1 against 2 now. Bad यार.
Listen, I'll tell you one thing. BA LLB 8th semester हमें बोला जाता है the most mischievous class, right? और कुछ बच्चों को हमारे उसमें बोलते हैं कि just because we're better than the rest, तो हम I'll use that line. अंधों में काना राजा, राइट? सो वो चीज़ बोली जाती है. तो उसके बाद भी ऐसे ही कि हमारे टीचर्स आर वेरी सपोर्टिव इवन ऑफ द मिस्चीव क्रिएटर्स. उनके लिए वो इतना सपोर्टिव है, मेंटर उनके पीछे पीछे जाती है एंड दे एक्चुअली लेक्चर देम for their well-being. So they are very supportive to even the people who were not at the best behavior with the teachers.
If teachers are if you have any issue with teachers, you have mentors for that.
Exactly.
You can go to them, you can talk to them, and they are always there. Like at least for me, they were always there.
My question to you, Akshita again. ऐसा क्या सीन है जो पेरेंट्स को बताओगे तो सीन होना पक्का है? Yeah, everyone is dodging the question. Oh, back to you. Now you cannot use any power card. Sadly, karma.
जो पेरेंट्स को बताऊं
तो सीन हो जाएगा. ऐसा क्या सीन था? Don't tell me यार, it was so boring that.
it was not boring. I've done good things, good scenes, but my parents are chill.
It's okay. But एक कोई ऐसा सीन तो होगा ना जो बताओगी तो सीन थोड़ा सा तो होगा ना यार.
एक दिन when I said कि I'm going to the college and I'm busy with my classes, मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे के मैं मैकडी में गई थी. कॉलेज बंक करके मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे का मैकडी इज अबाउट 1.5 hours away.
अच्छा, मुंबई एक्सप्रेस पे. ओके, अच्छा.
ये मैकडी पे गई थी एंड आई केम बैक एकदम छुट्टी से पहले. सो अगर ये चीज़ उन्हें पता लगेगी जो अब लग जाएगी, सम वेरी सॉरी, तो थोड़ा सा कांड तब हो जाता क्योंकि मैंने बोला था डोंट कॉल मी, आई एम सिटिंग इन क्लास, इफ यू कॉल मी माई फोन विल रिंग.
वाह, तो अब सीन होएगा ना, मजा आएगा.
अब तो 4th ईयर में आ गई हो ना, वो तो 3rd ईयर की बात है.
Okay, alright.
सो अनदर क्वेश्चन एट यू. सीनियर्स ने कोई चीज़ ऐसी एडवाइस दी थी जो ओवर सेल की हो बट एक्चुअल में नहीं थी वो?
यार ये चीज़ ना मेरे दोस्तों के लिए थी. मतलब उन्होंने ऐसे कहा था कि फर्स्ट ईयर के अंदर दोस्त दगाबाज होंगे, तुम्हारे ग्रुप लीव कर देंगे एंड ऑल. ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा उन्होंने जितना एम्फेसिस किया था उसके ऊपर उतना नहीं था. मतलब आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, सबके अपने ओपिनियंस है, बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ऐसा गोइंग बिहाइंड द बैक वाली चीज़ नहीं हुई थी. वो चीज़ है. तो ये चीज़ ओवरसेल की थी सीनियर्स ने मेरे. प्रॉब्लली उनका पर्सनल ओपिनियन था इस चीज़ पे, दैट्स व्हाई.
ठीक है अक्षता, शो ऑफ कल्चर कितना है यार? क्या? अरे
I want to speak on parents वाला part कि parents को क्या पता चलेगा तो. So I feel अगर मेरे parents को पता चलेगा the amount of times I have bunked my lectures, I would be in trouble.
You would be in trouble. Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Coming to you, what is your show of culture in your university? Show of culture कितना है?
I don't want to answer that.
ठीक है.
Reverse.
Coming back to you now. Yeah. See, karma is real, you know. It's very real. What goes around comes around.
Back around.
word.
I think in our university, like compared to some universities, I don't want to take the names, but compared to some universities, I think our university is balanced.
Let's not get into no comparison at all. Let's only talk about your university.
Okay, so I think it's not very much. It's balanced.
It's
I
balanced.
feel it's
What do you
balanced.
mean by being balanced? What does that mean? कुछ लोग शो
I
करते हैं,
think-
कुछ लोग अंडर शो करते हैं.
कुछ लोग छुपा के रखते हैं.
होता सबके पास है.
I think the people who has to show, like जिनको अपने आप को sell करना होता है, I think they do it, but जिनको नहीं करना होता है तो वो नहीं भी करते हैं.
Marketing guys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think our university knows how to sell.
Okay, ठीक है. Juniors को एक लाइन की warning. Just one है.
I would say कि juniors should stay away from. No, that's not it. But getting influence from seniors a lot. My senior is doing this, so I'm going to do that, etc. They should actually stay away from this because it's not actually good for them. Something that is good for me is not going to be good for my junior. It's not always correct, right?
यहाँ पे लोग ट्रेंड बनाते हैं या फॉलो करते हैं?
ट्रेंड बनाते हैं बहुत चीज़ें, जैसे कि तो फिर
अच्छा ठीक है. लो यार अब कार्ड आ गया. कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग लाइक.
The trends बनाते हैं. The reason being, I have seen in other colleges कि वहाँ पे इतना international artists नहीं आते हैं, but हमारे कॉलेज में international artists भी आते हैं and bands भी आते हैं, like underrated bands भी आते हैं to perform. So I think they get the opportunity.
अच्छा ओके.
So I think I would.
एक चीज़ तो तुमने यहाँ पहली बार ट्राई की एंड नाउ यू कैन नॉट गो बैक टू दैट.
I think bunking only. I tried bunk. I have never bunked my classes in school, but I bunk.
सोच रहा था बहुत ही मेहनत से.
I bunk a lot in college, and I cannot go back to like taking all the lectures.
हाँ ठीक है.
College.
ओवर टू यू यार.
Class 2, class 3.
ठीक है, तो मैं पूछ नहीं रहा, उसी से पूछ लेता हूँ फिर। तो कौन सा साइलेंट प्रेशर है जिसकी कोई बात नहीं करता?
I would say getting placed in a good company. It's very underrated topic क्योंकि बच्चे कहते हैं यार ठीक है यार हो
नहीं, is it underrated? I don't think so.
दिस इज़ अंडररेटेड क्योंकि मैं अगर यहाँ पे देखता हूँ अरे यार हो जाए, मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी में मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है यार हो जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे, बट डीप डाउन इट इज़ लाइक जो लोग उतना ज़्यादा सिक्योर नहीं है फाइनेंशियली एंड ऑल, उनके लिए बहुत वो है, ये एक बहुत बड़ा दिक्कत है क्योंकि एंड इससे भी बड़ा जो कंसर्न है इज़ दैट आई गोइंग टू लुक इन टू माई पेरेंट्स आइज वन डे एंड से येस यू आर हैप्पी एंड आई मेड यू हैप्पी, दैट आई मेड इट गुड फॉर इट.
Okay, so I think that was really immersive game, and thank you for figuring out
We
the
know
game
who lose.
for us. है ना?
I have
+2 में उठाती तो मेरा
4
4.
और मैंने उसे बोला कि भाई प्लीज +2 डाल दे.
and it was a lovely conversation with you guys.
Thank
Thank you
was
for
lovely.
sharing your insights, and I think this is going to be a very insightful and informative session for all of the audiences, aspirants who are going to taking admission in KRMU in the coming years. Thank you so much. You have been a
Thank you so
lovely
much.
contestant for
You
us.
have been a lovely host.
Thank you so much.